Okay, on object snap, if you go down here, you're going to get 3D object snap, which I haven't covered yet. But you do have object snap tracking, which you can turn on and off. And that's not object snap. You can see that object snap is still there. But object snap tracking is actually quite useful, and it's actually pretty ambiguous. And that's what I was kind of looking for earlier. But it gives you ability to start a line, for example, and let's say I wanted it to go out to the midpoint. Well, if I just hold it over that midpoint and then pull it down, you can see that a green line is drawn in there. So I can actually snap it to that point, and let's say I wanted to extend a line along this. Well, see that green line that is drawn there? That's the object snap tracking. So I can draw this, click this anywhere along this green line, and it'll draw up to that point. So it's a little disturbing, is it's not, I guess those are orthogonal or something. I don't know. But, like I said, it does seem to work okay, I guess. Take some practice. Okay, now let's say I wanted to draw a line, from more than one point. I could do that, and you can see it show up. But see how it's still green over there? But like I said, now if I just hesitate a little bit, that shows up too. So I got two tracking locations going on simultaneously, so I could start my line from that point. And then, let's do another one. Like one over here. There's nothing else for me to track to really, but yeah, so I can't really use it here, but it's got two of them activated, so I can find out where a point of intersection is and click it there. So anyway, that's kind of cool. I think Rhino does that too, but I never really got into it. Okay. Firstly, when you set this thing on, this infer constraints, it puts little constraints. It kind of reminds me of like SolidWorks or something like that. He still hadn't gotten into that, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. This right here is kind of cool. This display line weights thing. So you can go into settings and actually set what line weight your next line's going to be in. So I'm going to go set it like that, and yeah, bingo, that's what I needed. But at any rate, you can just turn that display off if you want, or change the setting, back to its default. So anyway,